Hello guys, this is Sandra here and welcome back to my channel. Excuse the croaky voice, I'm a little bit under the weather, but I still decided to film this really quick video. Oh my god, it's really bad to listen to this. So, recently I've seen a video on the In The Gloss channel where Hannah Martin, makeup artist, if you don't know her or just in general, I'm gonna link that video below, did a makeup challenge that was called, I think, Get the Gloss in 7? And the whole point was that she had to do her whole makeup in 7 minutes. And it reminded me of the old days in YouTube. Remember when everyone used to do challenges like get your makeup done in 10 minutes, in 5 minutes, in 3 minutes, and all those crazy things. And I used to love watching those videos. So I thought I can do, you know, the same version of it on my channel, but because I've never done anything like this before, I thought I can set my timer for 10 minutes. So I have my phone right next to me, so I can set the timer. And we'll see if I can do a really easy makeup look in 10 minutes. So let's see. I will try to tell you as much as possible what I'm using. I have all the products I want to use laid out in front of me. I don't really have my brushes ready, which might be a problem because half of them are dirty as well. So let me get a few brushes and then we're gonna set a timer and see if I can do this in 10 minutes. All right. So the lights are not the best. Currently it's 3:45 and it's already almost completely dark outside, but I figured for this video it doesn't matter too much. It's not all by the colors. You will still see at the end if I, you know, look sort of put together at least or not. We'll see. Let me get my timer up. Oh guys, I don't know who else is in this. Like, my throat is killing me. Alright, so here we go. Here's my timer. Oh, my screen is a bit dirty. And let's set it. Start. Okay, 10 minutes of starting. So I'm going to start with my Becca Backlight Priming Filter. And I'm just going to slap it on with my fingers so it gives my skin a nice, healthy glow to start with. And I'm just going to use my fingers to massage this in. Alright. Then I'm gonna throw my hair back. Okay, we have half a minute gone. I can do this. I'm gonna move on to the Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder Foundation, and I'm using the shade 2. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand and then just use a foundation brush to blend it in. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do first. First, I want to use my Becca Under Eye Brightener because sometimes it's a bit too light, so I like to put that on first before the foundation. Oh, and there's foundation all over the back of my hand. Great start. So I'm just gonna use my finger to blend that in there on one eye. And you can see right now how much it brightens. It's crazy. Oh, I probably could have got away with it. Oh, don't see where my timer is. Okay. 8.5 minutes. We can do this. Everything else should be pretty fast, I hope. I'm not the greatest when it comes to doing my makeup quickly. Okay, I don't think I've ever blended this quickly. Now foundation. It's more like a light to medium coverage, but it evens out the skin nicely. And just makes it a bit more uniform. Nice and glowy. Now it's not going to cover up my pimples, but that's okay. I'm just going to press it across my eye and under my eye so it's not too bright. And I might add just a little bit more. Oh, I'm feeling the pressure. Okay, quickly. A bit more. Oh, I just feel it now. I almost stabbed my eye out. But that's okay. Alright, I think that was my last cream product. Not sure why I'm bothering with the lids, but I am. Now I'm gonna set my face with the Too Faced Just Peachy powder. Put a bit in the cap. Take my NARS brush And just lightly dab it everywhere. Oh, it smells like peaches. Oh. Doesn't necessarily taste like it. And slightly setting everywhere. Where are we? Oh, 6.5 minutes. All right, all right. There's a bit of my powder left. I'm gonna put it on the side, and then I'm gonna go in with the brow gel. So I have the Revita Lash High Definition Eyebrow Gel, and I think the shade is soft brown. So I'm gonna just brush my brows up like so. And if I have time, I'm gonna fill them in, just because otherwise they're a bit lopsided, but it's not too bad actually. Okay. For bronzer, I'm gonna use the Bare Minerals, what is this called? Invisible Bronze. I have the shade Tan, and I don't know if they still do this. Also, I have to be a bit light-handed because this can sometimes be a bit too strong. It's really nice and buildable though. I really like this. But you see what I mean, like you don't need a lot. Now I look a bit crazy, especially on camera. In real life it doesn't look that strong. I think it's just the lights. My voice. I've already got the flu this season once and I thought that was it, but clearly not. A little bit of my nose. I don't know why my bronzer always looks so much more on camera. But I mean, yeah, it looks so much stronger. In real life it's fine. Actually, I'm gonna use the same bronzer on a fluffy eyeshadow brush and just spread it all over my lid so there's a little bit of color there. It doesn't have to be super strong, but just a little bit there. You know, if you just want to make yourself presentable really quickly, a bronzer on the eyelid is always really nice. Alright, how much time do I have left? Oh, 4 minutes. Okay. Mascara. I need a closer mirror for this. I can't just see it from this far away. Okay. Now, I usually spend a lot of time on my mascara for some reason. I'm using the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. Okay, other side. Oh, a bit of my bronzer just fell out. Great. Love leaving a mess. Oh god. Okay, right there. Eyes are done. Did I smudge it? A little bit. Great. We have 254 lipstick. It's the Clinique Nude Pop. Okay, I think I'm gonna apply a little bit more bronzer and possibly a highlight because I like a bit glowier skin. I know it looks a bit crazy in camera, but trust me, in real life you can't see it that much. And I'll go back with a powder brush. Okay, same brush and the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow highlighter. Okay, bit of glow there, bit of glow there. And I need a tinier brush. Oh, it's not the tiniest, but it will do. Bit of glow there, 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 and there. And then to touch up my brows, I'm gonna use the Benefit Browsings powder in the shade medium. I have, oh, 141. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. It's not the best brush I could use for it, but I couldn't find my other one, so we're going with it. Okay. Oh, 118. Okay. This is my verse brow. Maybe I should have started with this. Okay. No, a bit more there. I think I'm done. Ta-da! Get the pudsey out. Shake the hair. And I'm done. And we have 33 seconds left. I'm not sure you can see it. It's a bit bright. There we go. Just going off there. Let me actually open up the timer. It's probably easier to see. There we go. I did it! I can't believe it. I mean, is it the most complicated makeup? No. Did it make me look a bit more put together though, and generally like I'm not actually on my deathbed? Yes. So I'm happy with that. Who knew I can do my makeup in less than 10 minutes? And 3, 2, 1. So that's it. That's today's video for you guys. I just wanted to challenge myself, and hopefully it was a bit more fun video. It's, you know, a bit of a step away from the usual tutorials and project pans that I'm doing, and also I still wanted to film even though I'm a bit under the weather. I thought this is quite fun, and I used to love watching these videos back, like, I don't know, 5 years ago on YouTube, maybe even longer than that. It was about, you know, everyone was filming these videos, and I think that's part of why I initially, you know, fell in love with YouTube, because it seems so much fun. So that's it for today. If you liked this video, even though you had to listen to my croaky voice, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you thought, and also please consider subscribing to my channel. But for now, I'm gonna go make some more tea and head for the shops because I still have to. And hopefully I will see you in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.